Good evening, all of you. Exercise 9.1, question number 11, which says that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. So, this is the TV tower. I have assumed the height as small h, and this is the canal. This is the width of the canal. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from this point, which is lying on the opposite side of the canal, is 60 degree. Now, when you move 20 meter further away, the elevation becomes 30 degree. This becomes 30 degree. This is 60 degree. We have to find two things. One, the height of the tower and the width of the canal. That is, we have to find h as well as x. Now, as we all know, we have two right angle triangle. This is the first right angle triangle, triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, if I use a tan 60 relation, h upon x, tan 60 is under root of 3, h upon x. On cross multiplying, you will get this equation, h equal to x root 3. Now moving on to the second right angle triangle, which is ABD. Tan 30, it will be h upon 20 plus x. h upon 20 plus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to h upon 20 plus x. So on cross multiplying, you will get 20 plus x equal to h root 3. Put the value of h, root 3x. Root 3x into 3. So from this we get the value of x as 10 meter. That means the width of the canal is 10 meter. Putting this value 10 in equation number 1, height of the tower will be 10 root 3. Now similarly, moving on to question number 12, which says that from the top of a 7 meter tall building, this is a building AB, from this top you are observing a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the building is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the tower of the base, this is the base of the tower, from here the angle of depression, so this is the angle of depression, this is how much? 45. Now if this is 45, this is also 45, alternate angles. Now we have to find the height of the tower. So I have assumed this length as x, this is y. So in triangle, first right angle triangle is ADE. So in triangle ADE, tan 60 x upon y, its value is root 3 x upon y. So x will be y root 3, equation number 1. Now after this we'll take triangle ABC, tan 45 7 upon BC, that is y only. Because this length is y, I have assumed it as y, so this is also y because it is a rectangle. So tan 45 will be 7 upon y. Tan 45 will be 7 upon y. 7 upon y. Value of tan 45 is 1, on cross multiplying y is 7. So when y is 7, you can find the value of x also. It will be 7 root 3. So what is the value of x? This length is 7 under root 3. But we have to find the complete height. Now this is 7. If this is 7, this is also 7. So 7 plus 7 root 3 is the total height. So total height of the tower will be 7 plus x, that is 7 plus 7 root 3, and this is the answer, taking 7 common. Now question number 13, this is an important question. Question says that as observed from a top of a lighthouse 75 meter high, this is a lighthouse 75 meter. What is a lighthouse? You know, it is used to warn the ships. So from this lighthouse, you are observing two ships. One ship is at Y position, second is at X. The second ship is exactly behind the other. The angle of depression, if you are observing from this point, are 45 degree. This is 45, bigger angle. And for second it is 30. This is 30. So if this is 30, this is 30, alternate angle. And if this angle is 45, this is 45. So what we have to do, we have to find the distance between the two ships. X we have to find out. So taking this smaller triangle, tan 45, 75 upon y. So y will be 75 because tan 45 is 1. Now in triangle PXQ, tan 30, 75 upon x plus y. But the value of y is 75. Cross multiply, get the value of x. So this is the angle, distance between the two ships. So this is again a very important question and easy also. Similarly, you try question number 14. Then 15, 16 we'll do in the live class tomorrow.